Hi, Mom and Sir. Good day to all of you. Thank you for giving me a chance to introduce myself. My name is Joanna Lactawan Borbos, 36 years old. I'm from Philippines. I'm married. Blessed two boys, 18 years old and 6 years old. Finished high school graduate. I worked 2 years in Kuwait being a nanny. My main duty is there taking care of a newborn baby until she is 2 years old. Give her milk, change diaper on time, put her bath, and make her sleep reading a books and playing to her. And I also worked in Singapore 9 years. Two employer. I taking care a newborn baby until he is 4 years old. I feed him, bathing, and I bring her outside to play other kids, reading books and playing and teach how to write and reading. Other things is I cleaning also washing clothes, ironing, and my second employer is I taking care 6 month old until she is 5 years old. I feed her, changing clothes, put her to sleep, and drop her in the school and pick up her. Bring her other activities like swimming, art class, gymnastic class. And I also bring her to play date with other kids. Bring her to the park and playing scooter and play with other kids. I also have main duty in the house is cleaning, washing, cooking, and etc. I'm trustworthy patient, hardworking, and I love children. I also work happily. Thank you to all employer and God bless you.